What is going on, man? We're gonna do. Are you pooping over in that yard, kitty cat? Oh, it's chasing after something. Anyways, we're gonna squeeze in one more modification that I'm gonna do with the Challenger. Real quick before the sun goes down, because it's almost, well, it's 6 o'clock, so the sun will be going down soon. So I'm gonna set it up and explain to you what I'm about to do to the Challenger. Alright, so what we're going to end up doing with the car today is actually changing out the fuel door, for the simple fact that there's nothing else that's chrome on the vehicle. So I went ahead and ordered another fuel door. I'm not 100% sure how much I pay for it. Let's see if we can focus on that. Right there's a part number. I will put the link down in the description so you guys can get it. Like I said, this is a 2019. Pretty sure they're all standard for every door that you get. Oh. The reason I'm changing it out, like I said before, there is no other chrome accents or anything else on the car except for the front grille. Give me some ideas of what I should do with the front grille. If I should just black it out, if I should leave it, if I should paint it blue. But yeah, hopefully this is a real simple install. I watched a couple of videos, so we'll see. First thing you'll want to do, well, this is the new one that I got. Matte black, should match with everything. I wanted to actually repaint this and make it a gloss, but the wifey said that it wouldn't look right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take her word for it. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this. We're gonna slap this on. Hopefully it's a quick video. We won't miss out on too much sunlight, so let's get to it. First thing you want to do is remove or open the door. You want to remove the cap. Let's remove the cap off of there. Got the cap off there. Then what we'll need to do is actually go underneath the car here. You'll want to go underneath. There's a flap in here that you can squeeze your arm in. I'm going to go underneath and unclick or unhook this old gas cap. Remove my watch. So we're gonna go underneath that sleeve. If I can get under there, my goodness. Get this last one. Cool, got it off. You can see that comes off. We're gonna sell this on eBay for $5,000. And you can see that same flap. You just kind of get your hand under there. It'll pop off. There's like a clip here, clip here, clip here, and a clip here. And then you'll want to just put the old one on. Just make sure everything lines up. This right here needs to line up with this. This big part here needs to line up with this part here. Got it in there. Last thing you want to do is slap back on the door holder, which goes into here. Like that. Back in. Boom. Now we live in that life. Pretty simple. Probably one of the easiest freaking ones I had to do. But yeah. Yeah, so that was pretty simple. The next mod that I'm doing, hold on, I'm not swearing you guys don't feel drunk. The next mod that I'm doing is I'm getting my racing stripes on. That'll be in a couple of days. Today is Saturday, so in 2 days on Monday, I'm taking it down to the spot. I'll have more info on that video, so that'll be the next video that's going up. I'm putting racing stripes. The cool thing about the racing stripes is I had to get them, my other video where I put on the D badge for the Lux emblem, where I did Nemesis, I wasn't 100% sure how I felt about this pattern, kind of like this camo pattern, but I think it'll look real cool if I do the stripes. So I'm gonna get the stripes done in this same pattern all the way throughout the car. So it'll go all the way over the top to the front, and boom, we're about to look mean. This is what I was saying about the other. Ooh, wow, look at him. Yikes. But yeah, the chrome is the only other thing that I have left on this car, so. Or the grill that's chrome is the only thing I have left on the car. So yeah, I like it. What do you guys think? Very simple install. This helped you out at all, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell, y'all. Like always, I'll be right here. We out. Peace.